After some sighting passes, SOLOTURK now starts its practice display, a very unconventional manoeuvre indeed to begin with, kicking the rudder to the left and right. So many features of the F-16 were an absolute revolution for its era. Entered service in 1978, the first operational combat aircraft to have fly-by-wire. It also had quite an advanced aerodynamic design with leading-edge route extensions that produced vortices over the wing. And so many aircraft during some of these more technical manoeuvres, like the slow roll that we just saw a moment ago. The paint scheme that you mentioned, it does indeed feature the Turkish national symbol of a crescent and star. The other very prevalent motif on it is a golden eagle. Might perhaps be easy to think that's a reference to the F-16's namesake, the Viper, but it's actually more of a reference to the eagle in Turkish culture, which represents power and independence and justice and courage. That paint scheme designed by former fighter pilot and graphic designer Murat Keles, in time for the team's debut back in 2011 to mark the centenary of the Turkish Air Force. Between 2011 and 2015, including new radar, cockpit displays, mission computers and more. And the fleet will be further bolstered by the arrival of 40 F-16. One of the more interesting things at the moment about the Turkish aviation industry is there's a real push to have a strong domestic defence industry, and that very much applies to their F-16s. Currently 779 of them, as I mentioned, being put through this programme called Ozgur 2, which involves the installation of Turkish avionics.